liable. So 2023, perfect time to crank up company secretarial if you have any energy left or any time, because a lot happening in this area, a lot to be done. And it's going to be a key area, and it should be very profitable. The law is very clear. If you're a company director, I have legal duties and obligations imposed under the Companies Acts, other enactments, and at common law. Show me a director who knows their common law, the other enactments, and the common law. Show me a director who's even read the Companies Acts and even knows where to find it. I mean, it's a serious read, but it is the new rule book for companies. The Companies Act 2014, as amended in 2022, is the rule book. And in the rule book then are also all the other enactments, including SI 380 of 2022. Plus the common law, all the, like the Grey Mountain case, when Mr. Justice Toomey issued about a 70-page judgment in Grey Mountain, that becomes part of the common law, whereby the court sets out the new law about piercing the veil of incorporation. So if you're a director of a company, Grey Mountain is a big wake-up call if you don't know what's happening. And if that company goes to the wall and becomes insolvent, you know, you could lose the kitchen sink. It's extreme stuff. The Constitution sets out how the company is governed. Again, who's read their constitutions? Good opportunities for corporate compliance. Section 128 provides you can have a single director company. In Grey Mountain, there was 2 company directors. They only needed 1. The 2 of them were taken out and shot. At least if they're going to shoot them, they'll only shoot 1. Again, all these are things need to be looked at. When you put a company secretarial company in, you only need 1 director. Simple things, but you need to look at companies and see, do we need 2 directors? Is there any exposure here? We saw Sean Quinn on television last night, you know, looking back over what happened. You know, these are things you look back, why do we not reduce the directors? Now's the time, look at them. Company secretary qualification test. Directors are obliged to ensure the person who's appointed secretary is suitable. So if you're an accountant, you give your clients this little test, they'll obviously fail straight away, give them 6 hard questions, and then tell them that they need to appoint you a new company secretarial company. And the fee is going to be $5,000 a year for company secretarial services, but you'll reduce it down to $500 a year if they promise to send back the returns on time. You know, a lot of good opportunities there for this, because not only is it all the RBO stuff, the company stuff has gone wild, but companies are required to keep all these registers. And it's a considerable amount of red tape. This is a link to the Law Reform Commission website with regard to the latest Companies Act 2014. This is bang up to date, up at the 27th of July. 2022, and if you go on the link when they update it again, it's got all the latest company legislation, and this is the best place to look for company law. At the moment, we've got over 271,000 companies. We've got 750,000 company directors. We have 1 million shareholders, so it's inevitable there's going to be more shareholder disputes. And Alison is going to speak after I finish now in a few minutes. Alison is going to speak on shareholder disputes, and they're predicted to rise. It's inevitable, and you need to know what to do when there's a shareholder dispute. And again, you need to act quickly on that front.